Hello, my name is Daniel Binkoski. I'm one of the product managers here at UpKeep. Today I'm going to be showing you a really cool, innovative new feature that we just added to generate checklists. So if you go into your checklist module and you go to add a new checklist here, you'll see this box at the top that says AI checklist generator. So this is using some artificial intelligence to assist in making checklists faster and easier. There's a few different kind of types of information you can put in here. So asset type, this is the thing that you're generating a checklist for. In this case, let's just say Ford F-150. Number of tasks, this is how many tasks you want to be in the checklist. But right now we just kind of have a pretty finite list. We'll probably open this up in the future. Checklist frequency, this is how often you would be doing this checklist. So particularly relevant for preventive maintenance, but might be relevant for other cases as well. Let's just pick one through right now. And then the checklist type. So for example, like inspection, maybe you do certain inspections on certain schedules. We're gonna pick preventive maintenance for this, and then we just hit generate example, and then it's going to create a 20 task checklist for us for a monthly preventive maintenance of a Ford F-150. So we'll get in a nice little name and description here as well, and then it'll give you a bunch of tasks. So you can see they're like fairly specific to like the asset. For example, checking the tires for wear and damage and the tire pressure. But it's usually not going to include like hyper detail. For instance, it's not going to tell you, generally like what the PSI of the tire pressure could be. So, they're pretty specific, but not hyper specific. A lot of the way we suggest, you use these is kind of one of two ways. So either maybe, there's a lot of things that you do work on and you just haven't you don't have any checklist for them, right? Or they're really bare bones because you don't have time or you have a small team, right? This is a great way where, even just something like at this level of granularity is better than nothing or not doing these things, right? And not being able to track these things in your organization. So, being able to kind of just fill out all types of work with checklists at this level should be a huge improvement for orgs, who maybe haven't been able to roll that out or had time to. The other way, kind of, we anticipate, this being used, and we suggest you use it, is just kind of as a starting place, right? Like this might get you 80% of the way there. It's like I don't have to think about, okay, like what do I need to do to my tires? It's like generally I'm like, oh yeah, these are the things I need to do to my tires, and then I can come in here and then just adjust it, to add in my expertise and to add in your expertise. So basically, it's a starting point, gets you, a really good place to then, maybe add additional tasks, add additional detail, really leverage your expertise or the specifics that you want to track within your organization. Yeah, and then we can just create this checklist. So that's the new AI powered checklist generator. Always looking for feedback on new features like this, and we're definitely looking to leverage new tools like AI and machine learning across our application, and trying to deliver value from those tools to you all. So definitely more to come later this year. Thanks.